Let us discuss solution of a problem using Rankuta method. In this method, we will solve differential equation of the format dy by dx equals f of xy given the condition y of x naught equals y naught. In order to find out y of 0.1, y of 0.2, we will have to depend on evaluation of constants k1, k2, k3, k4 and k, which will in turn help us to find out y1 and y2. In this given question, we have to solve dy by dx equals y dash equals x square minus y given the condition y of 0 equals 1. That is, we have f of xy equals x square minus y, and since we have y of x naught equals y naught, x naught equals 0 and y naught equals 1. We have the step size given as h equals 0.1. We wish to find out y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. We have the standard formula k1 equals h times f of x naught y naught to be evaluated first, giving h equals 0.1 and evaluating f of xy at x naught equals 0 and y naught equals 1, we will obtain k1 equals minus 0.1. We have to evaluate k2 using the formula k2 equals h times f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2, where k1 equals negative 0.1. We have x naught plus h by 2 equals 0 plus 0.1 by 2, which is 0.05, and y naught plus k1 by 2 equals 1 plus negative 0.1 by 2, which equals 0.95. Therefore, we will evaluate f of xy at x equals 0.05 and y equals 0.95. Thus, k2 equals 0.1 multiplied to function at 0.05 comma 0.95, which equals minus 0.09475. We have to evaluate k3 using the formula k3 equals h times f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2, where k2 equals minus 0.09475. We have x naught plus h by 2 equals 0.05 itself, and y naught plus k2 by 2 will be 1 plus minus 0.09475 divided by 2, which becomes 0.952625. We have to evaluate f of xy at x equals 0.05 and y equals 0.952625. Thus, we have k3 equals 0.1 multiplied to f of xy at x equals 0.05 and y equals 0.952625, which will give k3 equals minus 0.0950125. Basic formula to evaluate k4 is k4 equals h times f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3, where k3 has already been evaluated now as minus 0.0950125. We have y naught equals 1, x naught equals 0 and h equals 0.1. We have to evaluate f of xy at x equals 0.1 and y equals 0.9049875. Thus, we have k4 equals minus 0.0894987. With the help of values of k1, k2, k3 and k4, using this standard equation, we will find out k equals minus 0.0984372. We wish to evaluate y1, which is value of y at x equals 0.1. We have y1 is the notation y of x naught plus h. That is, y1 equals value of y at x1. The basic equation to find out y1 is y naught plus k, where k equals minus 0.984372 and y naught equals 1. Thus, we have y1 equals y naught plus k, giving y1 equals 0.9051627. In order to compute y2 or y of 0.2, we have to repeat the entire process. But now, instead of x naught y naught, we will be depending on x1 and y1. Hence, we will obtain new values for k1, k2, k3, k4 and k. k1 equals h times f of x1 y1, where x1 equals 0.1 and y1 equals 0.9051627. Thus, we have to evaluate f of xy at x1 y1, and we will obtain k1 equals minus 0.0895162. k2 is evaluated using the same formula, but here x0 and y0 will be replaced by x1 and y1. Here we will obtain k2 equals h times f at 0.15, 0.860446. k2 equals minus 0.0837904. K3 equals h times f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2, giving x1 equals 0.1, y1 equals 0.9051627, h equals 0.1, and giving this value for k2, we will obtain k3 equals minus 0.0840767. Formula for K4 will be K4 equals h times f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3, where this value of k3 has to be used. We will get K4 equals minus 0.0781085. Formula to evaluate k is exactly the same, but here we will make use of new values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Hence in this iteration we will get k equals minus 0.0838931. Formula to evaluate y2, which is y of 0.2, is y1 plus k, where y1 has already been evaluated as y1 equals 0.9051627, and this value of k has to be considered. Thus we will obtain y2 equals 0.82126995. In order to use Runge-Kutta method to solve differential equation of the format dy by dx equals f of xy given the condition y of x naught equals y naught, we must have knowledge on these 5 equations of k1, k2, k3, k4 and k, along with y1 equals y naught plus k. Equations applicable for next iteration can be written looking at these set of equations itself, replacing x naught y naught by x1 y1.